I think so, huh? How long do these videos last on here?
What do you mean last?
I mean, they have a given amount of time?
I don't think so. So you fill up your memory, which is a long ways. All right.
All right. 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
1.
Blast off.
Blast off. Holy cow. Holy cow. Oh, it's coming down. Open. Open. Oh, yes, it opened.
It opened.
It opened.
Shoot.
Oh, yes. Woohoo!
Colt Hunter, you did a great job with the wadding.
That was perfect. Oh, that was perfect. Perfect. Is he going to catch it? Oh, he almost got it. Woohoo! That was great.
Good job with the wadding.
It's dead.
Congratulations, you guys.
That was awesome.
That was awesome.
I was starting to be concerned.
Radical.
You can't.
I was starting to be concerned that it wasn't going to open up.
Yeah.
And
No
then all of a
kidding.
sudden it went up and then it opened. And then it didn't unravel quite.
What were all those little pieces that kind of flew out?
wadding.
Wadding.
That was your wadding.
wadding, yeah.
Great job.
Good
We put 10
job.
pieces of wadding in there.
Oh.
Hey,
Yeah.
can we put this on
That
YouTube?
was sweet.
Oh, we'll see. I hope I got it. I can't tell if I was actually videotaping it. All I can do is aim the camera.